Hi my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I create this big curly fro look with a faux bang without actually having to cut your hair. So stay tuned. So first I'm going to start off with the process of actually doing the wash and go. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I'm going to be using BodwWorks collection. Today I'm actually going to be mixing some of their hibiscus honey collection. I shampooed already with their curl hydration shampoo, which I love, and it smells so good. Then I use their Almond Marshmallow collection, their split end mask. I love this mask. It really does a great job of melting in your hair and making your hair feel soft and voluminous, and it actually helps with split end reparation. For me, I have color treated hair, so I always want to take extra steps to make sure that it's fully conditioned. So I have already washed it and deep conditioned. Now I want to go ahead and show you guys the styling process. Stay tuned to see the entire process of me doing this wash and go and showing you how to get this faux bang. Faux bang, can I hang? What's the name? Faux bang, can I hang? Hit this leg. Faux bang, can I hang? Ruby May. Faux bang, can I hang? Turn and say, hey. So my hair has dried a bit since I've washed and deep conditioned it, so I am going to section it off and then go through it with a spray bottle to kind of reactivate that wetness, so that way I can style it. So I'm going to wet this section again. Still kind of damp, but not as wet as I want to do this wash and go. Get it wet. Get some tang out of the bed. Tickle your body at the body with your temperature. Come on, let me. I actually don't know if that's what Twisted was saying. However, we're going to roll with that. Shout out to Twisted. He's from Chicago too. So first I'm going to start off with the Hydration Serum by BodwWorks. So the hydration serum is supposed to help out with smoothing out frayed hair and split ends and nourishing dry, brittle hair. So it's great to help protecting your hair against daily pollutants and heat damage. So I like this hydration serum. As you can see, I mean, it's just the serum itself, but it already is like defining my curls. Like if I fake wanted to just style my hair like this, I could. And I'm going to be using the Denman brush to help to make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout the whole section. I had already detangled my hair with the deep conditioner was in, but I just want to make sure this product is all in there. Alright, so now that the serum has been applied, I'm going to spray on the leave-in conditioner all throughout this section. I'm looking curly, baby. Okay, anyway. So now I'm going to be taking the hydration custard. Taking just a little bit of that. I'll rub in my hands a bit and apply it in that section. Now, the thicker your hair is, or if you have like type 4 hair, I would recommend separating it into smaller sections to make sure that you're working quickly, to make sure that it's being absorbed. Because I need to make sure every freaking curl is moisturized. So now that I applied the custard and I see like the curls feel moisturized. If they don't feel moisturized, put some more custard in there. That's what's sealing in that moisture as well. Alright. And now I'm going to be moving forward with using the Extreme Line gel. So I'm doing the raking method to get the gel and the cream all applied throughout the section, as well as simultaneously defining my curls. And then this is the shingling method to kind of get that little bounce of the ounce. Bad boy making more money than you can count. And people often forget about those roots. Let's not forget about those roots. Go in there, apply that custard, make sure it's in those roots. And then the same for that gel. You can see those curls. And now I'm going to do this in all sections of my hair and come back. Alright, so this is my side that I have already did the wash and go process with. You can see the product in here. My curls are fine. And this is the side with no product. What a difference. Now this has air dried some too, of course, so it's a little drier than it was originally, but just kind of want to show you guys my progress this far. So the key to a defined wash and go is just to make sure that the product is literally being distributed through every single strand. And my wash and go process has stayed pretty much the same, because when I find something that works, I stick with it. Now we'll try different processes. If you guys have any suggestions of different techniques I can use for wash and go, you can actually see a wash and go video that I did a while back using a different product line, so you can see the results I achieved with that collection. You can also see my product cocktail video as well, where I show you guys how you can test out the mixtures of different products to ensure that they don't create any type of white globs in your hair and that flaky debris. So I did that process when I was trying out the BodwWorks hydration custard with this Wetline Extreme Gel. I did it before putting it in my head. So I'll link here the video that shows you how to go about trying out those product cocktails before putting it in your hair. Now as I'm getting to the front, I'm going to start pulling my hair towards my face because I want to do this faux bang. And as you'll see when you're doing your wash and go, your hair will start to lay the way you pull it. So you want to pull it towards your face to be able to get that faux bang action going. Smooth it in and tie the gel. And it's the front now. Don't be acting crazy with the front. You're the one that people want to see. Get this little Ashanti sideburn. See, my curls are gone without you. Here's another one. Alright. So the hair is starting all right there. And like I said, I'm going to bring this towards the front. So you want to create the bang after your hair has dried, because you want to see how your hair is going to fall naturally, the length of it, because right now obviously it's longer, but as we all know, shrinkage is so real, so it's not going to stay right here. It may come up to like here or whatever it may be. So we're going to let the hair dry first and then we're going to do the bang. And if you want, so you can see, separate it like this. So I'll come back once it's dry and show you next steps. Okay, so my hair has had a chance to completely dry. As you see, it dried towards the side here, and it does have this little fake part here, but I'm going to show you how to remove that and what process I'm going to use to do this faux bang. I'm going to spray it a little bit just to get it a little bit more pliable to come to the front. I only let it dry that way just because I wanted to see. Alright, so I just wet it a little bit just to kind of get rid of that part there, as you can see. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your bobby pin, and you're going to kind of go under here, and you're going to secure it, because you just basically are trying to bring the hair back a tad so it won't be all in your face. And this is why I say wait till your hair dries, because you can really see where it's going to actually end up falling, and you can adjust it as you want. So as you can see, now just have it like that. Now I don't like how it's looking kind of frumpy here, so I'm going to just bring this hair a little bit this way just to make it a little poofy under there, just to give that volume and that full look. Now I don't mind it being a little closer to my eyes here. Now this part may get on my nerves, so I'm going to pull it back just a little bit. Sliding through that bobby pin's DM. Slide that right in there so it comes up just a little higher. And now I have me a bang without cutting my hair. So I do want to create some more volume with this style, so I'm just going to go in with a pick and literally lift the roots. Just the roots. And here, be careful because your bobby pin's in there somewhere. You see, I'm just lifting. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all, I know my hair is thick, so hey, all thick hair girls know that struggle. I just lost a piece of this pick, but the show must go on. The show must freaking go on. Dang. It's working still. So I'm making this big. And you want to just do the roots because you want the volume without disrupting the curls. Don't forget the bag. You don't want that flat head in the bag. When I wear it like this, I like this style to be rather big. So I'm going through crazy. And just like that, that's a quick and easy way to be able to create a faux bang without having to cut your actual hair. So I like this method because when I'm using my hair in this big voluminous style, I really wanted to kind of give this big kind of curly afro look and the whole head to be just full. And when my bangs are not trimmed to an actual bang length, it's kind of difficult to achieve that look. So I hope you enjoyed this video to show you guys how to create your faux bangs. If you did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that notification button when new posts become available. You'll be the first to know. Until next time, bye my gems.